Accuracy, toughness, and reliability are essential when it comes to plumbing, electrical projects, and solar work. Knipex has built a reputation around exactly that. Their range includes everything from precision cutters and heavy-duty crimpers to innovative wire strippers, all crafted to handle demanding jobs with less hassle and more efficiency. Whether you're an experienced tradesperson or someone tackling weekend projects at home, these expertly engineered tools can completely upgrade the way you work. In today's video, we're showcasing 20 impressive Knipex tools designed to help you get more done with less effort. Let's get started. When you need superior access in confined spaces, this tool delivers exceptional performance. The Cobra AS stands out with longer, narrower jaws compared to standard Cobra pliers, providing easy access in confined areas, perfect for maintenance, service, and repairs. Its jaws are versatile. Front serrations grip around parts like screws and bolts, while a groove near the tip holds nails and pins. Flat materials are gripped firmly with the 3-point contact system. Fine adjustments are easy with a push button directly on the workpiece, offering 18 settings. The self-locking design ensures a secure hold on pipes and nuts, reducing hand effort. A built-in pinch guard protects fingers, and the robust box joint construction is forged from high-grade chrome vanadium electric steel for long-lasting reliability. Photovoltaic professionals will appreciate the versatility of the Knipex MultiCrimp is a truly versatile tool for professionals working with photovoltaic systems. It is a high-performance crimping plier set that streamlines your workflow by combining 3 key functions in one. It includes 3 interchangeable crimping dies for MC4 and MC4 Evo 2 connectors, uninsulated cable connectors, and wire ferrules. Switching dies is quick and requires no extra tools, and they're stored safely in a round magazine holding up to 5 dies. This allows you to work on PV cables, earthing conductors, and meter cabinet connections without changing tools. You can crimp MC4 connectors in 4 and 6 square millimeters, attach uninsulated earthing cables from 0.5 to 10 square millimeters, and handle conductors from the inverter to the cabinet using the die for insulated and uninsulated wire ferrules from 0.25 to 6 square millimeters. Precision dies and an unlockable ratchet mechanism ensure consistent, high-quality crimps every time. Solar installers will find this tool indispensable. The ErgoStrip PV is perfect for photovoltaic system installations. It's engineered for fast and precise stripping of PV cables in 4 and 6 square millimeters, like H1Z, 2Z, 2K types, as well as standard round and damp-proof installation cables. Its ergonomic pistol grip design makes cutting, stripping, and longitudinal sheath cuts effortless. A key feature is the adjustable length stop for PV cables from 6 to 18 millimeters, ideal for preparing wires for standard solar connectors. The tool's slim conical ends provide better access in tight spaces. It also includes a stripping mechanism for various PVC conductors with location ridges for accurate wire insertion. An opening spring and locking device enhance user comfort, while the multi-component handle with soft plastic zone ensures a secure grip during work. Heavy-duty cable cutting demands power and precision, and the StepCut XL delivers maximum leverage and capacity. Its long handles, high-leverage joint, and optimized edges make cutting easier than smaller cable shears. It handles solid copper or aluminum cables up to 35 millimeters, stranded cables up to 70, and fine stranded cables up to 120 square millimeters. Dual cutting areas, stepped edges for small and large cables, and front edges for massive cables allow efficient work. Operated with 1 or 2 hands, and the adjustable bolted joint ensures smooth, precise cutting. Slim head design improves access in tight panels, and a pinch guard adds safety. Laser-hardened cutting edges promise long service life. Tough cable sheaths meet their match with this innovative tool. The ratcheting knife provides an effective solution. The ratcheting function strips tough plastic sheaths up to 1/4 inch thick with less effort. The sickle-shaped hook blade has 3 cutting areas for round and longitudinal cuts. A guide shoe protects conductor insulation, while a 3-line depth gauge shows cutting depth in millimeters. The replaceable blade folds for safe transport and has 4 positions: folded, straight, angled, and ratcheting. A thumb rest allows applied pressure, and a 3-stage lock secures the blade. The durable glass fiber reinforced housing and multi-component handle provide a secure, comfortable grip for confident cutting. Precision wire work demands the right equipment, and the PreciStrip 16 excels. It handles fine wires and solid round cables from 0.08 to 16 square millimeters with 1 pair of pliers. Semicircular grooved clamps provide a firm hold, while the parabolic stripping blade ensures an exact cut. An intelligent automatic mechanism regulates cut depth with fine adjustment for special insulation or temperature conditions. An adjustable length stop ensures consistent results, and it also includes a cable cutter for copper and aluminum. The ergonomic dual-component handle makes operation comfortable, and the replaceable blade cassette extends the tool's life. Legendary performance in a miniature package defines the Cobra XS. It's the smallest member of the legendary Cobra family, yet incredibly capable. At only 100 millimeters, it provides excellent access in tight spaces thanks to its slim head. One-handed fine adjustments are easy via the push button. Gripping capacity reaches 28 millimeters on round pipes and 24 millimeters across flats on nuts. The box joint design ensures durability with hardened teeth rated at approximately 61 HRC for strong wear-resistant grip. Self-clamping jaws prevent slipping, reducing effort, and the pinch guard keeps your fingers safe. With 11 adjustment positions, it proves that great things come in small packages. Flexibility and precision combine in this innovative crimper. The Twisto is ideal for crimping wire ferrules with maximum flexibility. Its crimp head rotates 360 degrees with 8 locking positions, allowing work from nearly any angle in tight spaces. Produces square crimps for wire ferrules from 0.14 to 16 square millimeters and automatically adjusts to different cross-sections. Crimp openings are accessible from both sides, accommodating long ferrules. Twin ferrules up to 2 by 6 square millimeters can also be crimped. A ratchet mechanism guarantees consistent high-quality crimps, while the toggle lever design reduces manual effort, making the tool light and easy to use. Trade professionals are raving about this exceptional gripping tool. Let's talk about a tool that has quickly become a favorite among trade professionals. The Knipex TwinGrip is a set of 200mm long slip joint pliers that deliver enormous front gripping power. The success of this versatile tool has been so astounding that the line has been expanded to include new 150mm and 250mm versions. These new sizes retain all the same standout features that made the original so popular. You get that unique combination of both front and side gripping jaws, a quick adjustment mechanism, and an incredibly high bite force that works wonders on worn screws and bolts that other tools can't grasp. This makes the TwinGrip family perfect for a huge range of applications, from finer, more delicate tasks to coarser work where you need maximum torque. Engineered from high-quality chrome vanadium electric steel, all TwinGrip models are forged and oil-hardened for maximum strength. The case plastic dipped handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, ensuring control and reducing fatigue. For electrical professionals seeking precision, the EvoStrip offers effortless stripping across a large capacity range from a tiny 0.03 up to 10 square millimeters. This tool automatically adapts to different conductor cross-sections, so you never have to worry about damaging the conductors. Its 2-component handle and comfortable widths make it sit well in your hand, minimizing the risk of hand injuries during repetitive tasks. It's incredibly versatile, with a generous stripping range from 5 to 22 millimeters and even up to 25 millimeters if you remove the length stop. The adjustable setting wheel allows you to fine-tune the cutting depth, making it suitable for even the most demanding insulation jobs, including those in extreme temperatures. A top-mounted cable cutter offers maximum visibility for clean cuts on copper and aluminum conductors. The smooth-running mechanism is quiet and guarantees long-term performance. while the high-quality wear-resistant blades ensure it will last for thousands of stripping cycles. For efficient plastic pipework, the DPT-50 is the perfect helper for cutting and chamfering plastic pipes in a single, efficient step. This tool is designed to handle pipes with diameters of 32, 40, and 50 millimeters. The process is incredibly smooth. It cuts without needing readjustment or deburring, which significantly reduces the risk of creating leaky joints later on. It also prevents the breaking of brittle pipes. The DPT-50 features self-adjusting rollers with plane bearings for optimum pipe guidance and easy cutting. It's effective on polypropylene, PVC, and many other plastic pipes with wall thicknesses between 2.5 and 3.5 millimeters. The blade body is made from high-quality ball-bearing steel and can be reversed without any tools when one side wears down. A spare blade is even stored in the tool itself. The spring-loaded cutting blade means no adjustment is needed during the cut, and you have a clear view of the cutting point for precise positioning. The automatically applied chamfer helps ensure an even distribution of adhesive, making it an essential tool for wastewater pipes. Here's an ideal choice for those starting with professional wire stripping. We have a perfect entry-level tool for anyone looking for a reliable wire stripper. The ComStrip is designed for simplicity and efficiency, automatically stripping solid, multi-stranded, and finely stranded wires from 0.2 to 6 square millimeters without manual adjustments for specific materials or temperature conditions. A fine adjustment lets you precisely set the cutting depth. It also features a cable cutter for solid conductors up to 2.5 square millimeters and finely stranded wires up to 6 square millimeters. The adjustable length stop from 6 to 18 millimeters ensures consistent stripping lengths for repetitive work. Its compact head makes it ideal for tight spaces, while its ergonomic two-component handle with soft grip ensures low effort and maximum force transfer. The tool body is made of glass fiber reinforced plastic, making it lightweight yet durable, and the replaceable blades guarantee long-lasting performance. When crimping quality cannot be compromised, the Preforce is a top choice, especially for photovoltaic installations. Designed for MC4 and MC4 EV2 connectors, it features improved crimp geometry for excellent conductivity. Precision dies and an unlockable ratchet mechanism ensure consistent crimps, releasing only once the correct pressure is applied. Crimping force is factory calibrated. Efficient lever action requires minimal effort, and the ergonomic lightweight design ensures easy handling. Ideal for residential, industrial, or off-grid systems like mobile homes, it provides reliable, perfect crimps every time. The die is fixed to guarantee the optimal connection for these specific solar connectors. Compact spaces require specialized cutting solutions, and the TubiX pipe cutter is expertly designed. Its quick-lock one-hand locking system allows independent holding and clamping on pipes. Set the diameter with the scale, clip it on, and the spring-loaded cutting wheel applies perfect pressure. It handles pipes 3 to 30 millimeters in diameter and wall thickness up to 2 millimeters, including stainless steel. The small cutting circle fits cramped spaces. Needle-bearing rollers and a cutting wheel ensure smooth operation. The textured turning knob provides 20% more torque, preventing slippage even with wet hands. A spare cutting wheel is stored inside for fast replacement. Small but mighty describes this precision tool perfectly. We have a compact powerhouse, the Pliers Wrench XS. Measuring just 100 millimeters, it delivers impressive gripping capacity and excellent accessibility in tight spaces. Its slim head reaches where other wrenches can't. One-handed fine adjustments are simple via the push button, adapting easily to different workpiece sizes. The parallel jaws grip continuously up to 21 millimeters across flats, and the smooth jaws protect delicate surfaces like chrome. Ideal for precision engineering, plumbing, or bicycle and motorcycle work. A robust sliding joint ensures stability, while a pinch guard protects your fingers. 10 adjustment positions make it a tiny but mighty tool you'll always want on hand. Professional electricians need comprehensive tool storage, and the Big Twin tool case is a complete mobile workshop. It includes 14 Knipex tools and 63 total brand tools, many VDE tested. The case can stand freely in all open positions with snap-in cover holders on both sides. Open from one or both sides with independent lid and bottom access. Built from heavy-duty ABS with an aluminum frame, it features a center wall with elastic loops and small pockets. A 3-digit combination lock secures your tools, and metal tilt locks keep the case closed. Removable tool boards in a subdivided base tray provide 95 insertion options. With a 25-kilogram payload and 38-liter capacity, it's a fully organized workshop on the move. Efficient cutting in a compact form is what this tool offers. The StepCut is a compact yet powerful cable cutter measuring just 160 millimeters. Its graded cutting edges slice wires one after another, making cutting up to 40% easier than standard shears of the same size. Ergonomic handles provide comfortable cutting, even for larger cables. It can handle multi-core stranded copper or aluminum cables up to 15 millimeters in diameter or 50 square millimeters, and solid cables up to 5 by 4 millimeters. The bolted joint is precise and durable, and a pinch guard ensures safe operation. Induction-hardened cutting edges stay sharp through repeated use. Electric vehicle technicians require specialized safety equipment, and ACE is a complete safety-focused solution packed with essential VDE-tested tools and accessories for working on high-voltage systems. It includes a total of 29 insulated tools, such as pliers, open-ended spanners, a 3/8-inch reversible ratchet set, and protective insulating gloves, giving technicians everything they need for safe and efficient operations. The basic case is designed with a custom foam insert that features color-coded slots, helping you keep track of tools as they are removed and returned. Lightweight yet robust, it's perfect for garages, service centers, or companies managing EV fleets. The organized layout ensures all tools are easily accessible, helping electricians work safely, efficiently, and confidently while servicing or maintaining electric vehicles. Those were 20 incredible Knipex tools built to make plumbing and electrical tasks quicker, smoother, and more reliable. Which tool caught your attention the most? Share your thoughts down in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you stay updated with more videos like this.